Ever heard of a magic bullet for bad cholesterol? Well, taurine might not be quite that, but it's packing some serious punch. This little amino acid hiding in your energy drinks could be a game changer for your heart health. But how? Buckle up, because taurine's got a whole arsenal of tricks up its sleeve. First up, taurine talks directly to your liver cells, telling them to crank up production of LDL receptors. These are like Pac-Man gobbling up bad LDL cholesterol from your bloodstream. But taurine's got a multi-pronged attack. It also activates a key enzyme that converts cholesterol into bile acids, basically giving your body a reason to clean house. Think of it as taking out the trash. Less cholesterol hanging around means your liver needs more receptors to keep things tidy. Here's another twist. Taurine throws a wrench in the plans of a troublemaker called FGF21. This molecule normally puts the brakes on the good enzyme, but taurine shuts it down, letting the good guys win and boosting LDL receptor production even further. And that's not all. Taurine does some remodeling in your gut, influencing special receptors that tell your liver to ramp up LDL receptor production. It even helps out indirectly by freeing up an important building block for another cholesterol-fighting enzyme. Plus, taurine's natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers might be giving your liver a helping hand overall, indirectly supporting healthy cholesterol levels. All these tactics working together create a powerful force for good. Increased LDL receptor expression means more bad cholesterol gets cleared from your blood, leading to a healthier lipid profile. This multifaceted approach makes taurine a fascinating candidate for helping manage cholesterol and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. So, next time you reach for that energy drink, remember, it might be doing more for your heart health than you think.